So now, dear users, let's find out how this distress deals works into Behomes portal. In order to go to distress, we could go into off plan, and right side of the down of the portal, we could find out the distress deals, or as well as into our secondary. If we press the arrow down, we see the distress deals. So this is where we ended up into a distress deals, which we can also use our filterings, sorted out by city range, district range, developer range, by price range. And you can see the results, the relevant status as well. But what's more important over here is you could make a sales offer as a presentation for the distress deals, which is super easy and super cool for your investors. So I press save as a PDF, and then my sales offer, super easy, super clean and tidy and ready. So I can generate and send it. But what's more important, you could add your own distress deals. And in order to add it, you could just go through your secondary and add your listing and note it that this is a distress deal. So it's super easy and quick, convenient to find a really cool deal. And one more time to mention it, what is a distress? Is the deal which is below the market. If for example, this one bedroom was selling it for 2 million from the developer, now it can be sold for 1.5. So guys, it's super cool section over here, and wish you best of luck. Thanks.